Fix night light not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update display driver. Display drivers can be used for many functions in a Windows computer, including regulating the settings related to night light. Therefore, we recommend updating video drivers to see if that's the issue here. Fix 2. Update generic monitor driver. Right-click on generic PNP monitor and select Update driver. Pick Browse my computer for drivers. Fix 3. Update Windows. Fix 4. Check date and time. In some cases, the time settings might not be correct, hence night light would not turn on at the correct time. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Reset night light settings via Registry Editor.